Welcome! In front of me I have AMAZFIT Balance 2 XT, and I'm gonna show you how to change the screen timeout duration on this watch. Basically how quickly the screen turns off after you stop using your device. First thing you will need to do is to wake up the screen on your watch, and you can do it by pressing the lower button. After you wake up the screen, press the lower button again to open the menu. Then scroll through the menu and look for the settings icon. And once you find the settings icon, tap on it to enter the settings, of course. In settings, find the option called display. And once you find it, tap on it. And here look for the option called screen on duration. Select it. And right here we have different durations. We have 5 seconds, 8 seconds, 15 seconds, 20 seconds, 25, and 30 seconds. Select the one you like, for example 15 seconds. And then you can press the lower button a couple of times to go back to watch face. And now my screen should turn off automatically after 15 seconds of inactivity. So if I won't touch the buttons or the screen for 15 seconds, it should turn off to save power. You can also change this through the phone application if your watch is paired with a phone. So we can move this to the side, bring the phone here, and zoom out the camera so you can see the whole screen of the phone. And on the phone that is paired with our watch, we can open the Zepp application. And the application, you can tap on device, you can tap on device settings, and here tap on display and brightness, then tap on screen duration or screen on duration. And again, we have durations, select the one you like, tap on OK, and the duration will change. And that's how you change the screen timeout duration on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.